Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we continue our learning series about the topic Austrian words for tourists. In this video, we learn how to pronounce important shops in Austrian German. For example, we are going to cover shops like Trafik, Fleischhauerei, Konditorei, and so on. If you are interested in a special topic, please let me know in the comments below. So let's get started. The learning goal of this video is to be able to pronounce important shops in Austrian German. First of all, Geschäft is the most common word for shop in Austrian German. Geschäft. The plural form is Geschäfte. Geschäfte. Every now and then you come across the term Laden. Laden, which is frequently used in Germany. But now let's focus on some special shops. We start with the word Bäckerei. Bäckerei. Any idea what's the English word for this shop? Bäckerei is the German word for bakery. This is where you can buy bread and Semmel, the famous Austrian bread rolls. Konditorei is similar to Bäckerei, but it offers especially pastry, cakes, and chocolate. A Konditorei is often combined with a cafe house. The second shop I'd like to present is Trafik. Trafik. Any wild guess what this could be? A Trafik is kiosk in English, and you can buy newspapers, magazines, and cigarettes there. The next type of shop has more than one name in Austria. For example, Fleischerei, Fleischhauerei, Metzgerei. The English word is butcher shop, where you can get all kinds of meat and sausages. Fleischerei, Fleischhauerei, Metzgerei. Drogerie is the name of the next shop. Any idea what this could mean? Drogerie is the word for drugstore. Drogerie. And furthermore, Apotheke. Do you know what Apotheke means? Apotheke is the term for pharmacy. Apotheke. In general, the word Markt means market in German. Markt is used for various places where you can buy special things. Supermarket is Supermarkt. A farmer's market is Wochenmarkt or Bauernmarkt. And a DIY store or a hardware store is Baumarkt in German and in Austrian German. So you come across Supermarkt, Bauernmarkt, Wochenmarkt, Baumarkt. Now let's focus on a very traditional shop. Kreislerei. Kreislerei is a small shop where you can buy most things you need for your daily life. Kreislerei. Some decades ago, it used to be very common, but nowadays they are hard to find. Kreislerei. I hope I could give you a little insight into the topic, and so you know what you can buy when you see the name of a certain shop in Austrian German. Please check out the other videos about the series Austrian German for Tourists. Have a nice day. See you in the next Austrian German tutorial. Auf Wiederschauen und Servus.